Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am right outside of Walmart. So I'm going to take you guys inside of Walmart and share with you guys some low carb options that you can go ahead and pick out at your local Walmart or any other grocery store, because I have been back and forth on the Weight Watcher route versus the low carb keto route, and I have to say, after probably a good 6 to 9 months of going back and forth, low carb has been the best road for me overall. And I have to give it to my girl Nicole, because she's the one that talks me off the ledge every time. She's like, Gina, it's not the carbs, it's the fat. And ever since I started upping my fat, I feel so much better, because when I'm eating like Weight Watchers, and when I'm eating like bread and oatmeal and eating those carbs like in the morning time, I'm hungry like an hour later. So when I go more low carb with adding a little bit of fat into my breakfast, I'm good for hours. So I'm going to take you guys inside of Walmart and share with you guys some of the awesome finds that you can get at a really good deal. So can you see my Walmart? You can't see my Walmart. Okay. But let's go inside anyways. I wanted to, I was trying to get like a good thumbnail picture, but I wasn't able to get it, but oh well. Okay, so some of my favorite fat sources when it comes to eating keto low carb is definitely guacamole and avocado. So I love these mini packs from the Holy Guacamole lines. This is priced for $4.98. And this is great for like a single serve, so you don't even have to bother with like the portion of everything. And I always will make eggs and then have a side of avocado or like a good scoop of guacamole, and this is what keeps me full. So definitely check this out. Again, it's $4.98, and then they actually have a Market Pantry brand, not Market Pantry. They have a Walmart brand as well that is $3.98. So you save about $1 going with the Walmart brand. So I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Something else that is really good is feta cheese. This is a great fat source to add on top of different like salads. So there is 6 grams of fat with 1/4 cup and only 1 carb, 0 sugar, 5 grams of protein. And I really love the Athenos brand of feta cheese. Something else that is really easy to go ahead and throw into the microwave for like lunches and dinners are these already like pre-cooked beef steak chunks, as well as the chicken. So this is a great item to go ahead and add like different cheeses on top. Like right here, you could do like a tortilla-less like fajita if you want to. So these are great, easy options. And this is from the John Souls Foods. So this is great for a low carb option. And it comes in at about $3.46 for the steak and $2.52 for the chicken, and this is for an 8-ounce bag. All right, so something that I actually like to get the kids is the naked juices. So there is no sugar added into these naked juices, but you will see on the back of the label that there is a lot of carbohydrates, but most of the carbohydrates are coming from like natural sweeteners in the juice. So if your kids are ones to not like eat a lot of juice, if your kids are ones to not eat a lot of like fruits, this is a good option for you. They also have a green machine one that has greens inside of the juice too, so this is a nice option to be getting some greens in your kids as well. And a little trick that I've learned with my Sawyer is he's not one to really like to drink these, but I tell him it's like the Hulk's juice. So whenever I tell him it's for the Hulk and to make him big and stronger, then he drinks it up right away. So that's a little trick if you want to try to get your kids to drink this like naked drink with vegetables in it. All right, so one of my favorite things to put on top of coffee, and I also like to whip this up with my sugar-free jellos, is the Cool Whip Light. So the Cool Whip Light, there's 1 gram of fat, 3 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of sugar, and it's 2 tablespoons. So even just like having like a tablespoon of the Cool Whip just kind of like helps my sweet tooth as well sometimes if I'm like really desperate. So trust me, get some Cool Whip, put it in your fridge, and then just open it up when it's an emergency. All right, so something I like to have in a bind too if I'm in a super huge rush is these Jimmy Dean Delights Egg Witch sandwiches. So on the back right here, There is 19 grams of fat, also 8 grams of carbohydrates, but there are 2 grams of fiber, so it makes it 6 grams, and 14 grams of protein. So if I am in like a huge rush, I absolutely love just popping these in the microwave and then I'm good to go. All right, so good old-fashioned cauliflower rice is gonna save your life. Something else I like are the zucchini noodles, which I'm not seeing here, but you guys, cauliflower rice, I'm telling you, it's gonna save your life. It's the best pasta replacement I found. You can do like cauliflower fried like rice if you're craving like Asian food. So this is definitely a staple if you are on a low carb journey. Okay, you guys, if you do not have nut butter in your life, you definitely want to get on the nut butter train. So I've really been enjoying the RX nut butters specifically. So the macros on here, there's 14 grams of fat. There's also 8 total carbs, but there's 2 fibers, so you subtract the fiber. So you're at 6 carbs and 9 grams of protein. And this is so yummy, you guys. This is actually one of my favorites. It's the honey cinnamon butter, and I love these already like proportion sizes, so I literally will just eat this, and this is enough to keep me full if I need like some sort of snack. But there is a ton of stuff for you guys to choose from in terms of the peanut butter. Just make sure you're looking at the back of the ingredients and reading everything, because if you just go with a good old-fashioned like Jiffy, there's, you know, sugar is in the first. It says made from roasted peanuts and sugar. So I was actually diabetic in pregnancy, and when you're reading the back of an ingredient, you do not want to see the sugar word in the first like 3 ingredients. So if you see on the back of here, it says peanuts, egg whites, and dates, coconut oil, honey, and cinnamon. So the first 3 words on here are not sugar words. So that was like number 1 in the diabetes class, was the first 3 ingredients cannot say sugar, because if it does, then you're kind of screwed. So another really good thing to have on stock is pickles. So I love the Colossin pickles specifically. So these are priced for $3.48. One, this is a great crunch alternative if you're looking for something that's crunchy. And I just find that these are really sour, and I love sour pickles, and this is going to help balance your sodium as well. So anytime you're feeling like lightheaded or a little fuzzy, all you need to do is eat a few pickles and you're going to be good to go. Shopping keto and low carb can definitely be a little more pricey, but with the app Fetch Rewards, it makes saving a little bit easier. This app, you can actually upload grocery receipts and you earn points. So you also earn additional points when you purchase items from their brand list. So there are over 249 brands on Fetch Rewards that will earn you bonus points. And these points actually turn into different gift cards. You can cash in your gift cards and you can donate to different charities. You can cash in on electronic gift cards, movie gift cards, Walmart gift cards, Target gift cards. There are so many gift cards to choose from. You can also earn extra points by simply just referring a friend or a family member to use the app as well. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, I'm going to go ahead and leave a code for you guys in the description box. Definitely go and download this app. Use my code and you're going to earn a free 2,000 bonus points when you submit your first grocery receipt, which is equal to $2. So you actually get your points instantly once you submit your receipt. So there's no waiting in terms of getting your points. This is done instantly. And I literally did this when I was waiting for my eye exam inside of Walmart's Vision Center. So I purchased my groceries and uploaded right away. If you are not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, make sure you use the link in the description box and enter the code GINA1 in the referral box so you can earn a free 2,000 point bonus after you submit your first receipt. And a big thank you to Fetch Rewards for sponsoring today's video. I appreciate it so much. And then I flip my Walmart gift cards for things like this. Look at these new PJs that have hit Walmart. Okay, first of all, they're like jogger PJ pants, $9.97. I am going to link these for you guys. First of all, they are so soft and they have coffee mugs and they are cuffed at the bottom, and I love this color. This is me in a PJ pant. It is 90 degrees outside today, but I am still sporting these PJ pants. All right, you guys, so when it comes to pasta sauces, I actually have 2 favorites. My favorite tomato sauce is the Ragu Simply, so there is no sugar added. There's olive oil in it, but when it comes to cream sauce. My favorite is the Classico. When I'm looking for like an Alfredo sauce, I just prefer the Classico over the Ragu. So on the back of here, there's 3 grams of carbs, 1 sugar, 3 grams of fat. So this is my go-to pasta sauce when I'm looking for a white sauce. If I'm making some sort of like, on my menu, it's chicken Alfredo over zucchini noodles is what's on my menu. And there's just something about the like taste in this pasta sauce. It is my absolute favorite when it comes to white sauce. But in terms of my red sauce, I'm always a Ragu, simply Ragu girl. Alrighty, so something else that is a go-to for me is some ground sausage. So it just depends. Sometimes I'll do the great value premium sausage and I'll just make it into sausage patties myself. Sometimes I'll go links, it just depends. Sometimes I'll get the already cooked Jimmy Dean just out of convenience. That's probably what I'll do because I'm super busy in the morning, but I'll do these with a side of usually I'll do a side of egg in the morning time is usually what I'll do with these, but this is a quick, easy breakfast just to throw in the microwave. I've been trying to limit my soda intake, but something that is replacing soda for me is this bubbly sparkling water, and it is priced for $3.33 here at Walmart, and there's tons of flavors, you guys. So you have a apple bubbly, there's an orange bubbly, there's a grapefruit bubbly, there is a lime bubbly, strawberry, black cherry, there's all sorts, you guys. So definitely head to Walmart and check out some of these bubbly flavors. So a really good healthy snack for you to have that's going to keep you full and just give you a little something is definitely peanuts. So peanuts, almonds, they're salty, they're full of fat, so they're going to help you stay full. So I highly suggest you pick up some peanuts. My favorite are the Planters. So they're $3.50 here at Walmart. This is the 16 ounce. So highly recommend if you're on a low carb journey, pick up some nuts, put them in your purse as like an emergency snack because they are so good. And if you're starting to feel, like I said, like lightheaded, hungry, just pop a few nuts and you'll be good to go. That sounded so wrong. All right, so something else you guys need is the heavy cream. Do not be scared of the heavy cream. I promise you it's gonna save your life. Right, so some of my favorite snack options are always string cheese, but don't go for the light. You wanna go for the regular because you want that fat in here. So actually the Kraft string cheese for the mozzarella is actually my favorite. So anytime I find Kraft at Walmart, I make sure I pick it up because it's my favorite out of all the brands of string cheese. So another really yummy cheese variety you can look out for is the Cracker Barrel, what's the 48 cracker cut, and these are so good if you're doing like on-the-go lunches and you just want some sliced ones to go with like your pepperoni, and if you do like kind of like deli style lunches, these are great options because they're pre-cut and they are delicious. So deli meat is always a good idea. So my favorite is the Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh Smoked Turkey Breast. You can get this for about $7.78, and this is a 16 ounce family size. So this is great for, like I said, those deli put together lunches. So I hope you guys enjoyed this follow me around Walmart video, picking out some of my favorite low carb keto options. And if you'd like to have more options, definitely go and check out Nicole Burgess on Instagram and YouTube. She does Whole Foods in-store like Instagram stories, and she's done a few like budget shop with me's when it comes to healthy food options. So definitely go and check her out. I'll have all of her information in the description box. Someone else who does grocery hauls, who's also on keto, is Marriage and Motherhood. Definitely go and check her out. Her name's Gia. And if you guys are following any other low carb keto gals, let me know in the comment section below so I can go and check them out. Also Misti, Simply Misti, she does some low carb keto grocery hauls as well. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to sign up for Fetch Rewards on your way out. You guys will absolutely love the app just like me. I earn gift cards all the time, and it definitely helps supplement my income through being able to flip those gift cards and purchase groceries like I did today. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.